Buddy, are you gonna fix that? Oh, he's gone. Oh my gosh.
Everywhere. Dog says it was the cat. Cat says it was the kitten, and the kitten says, "Wow!" Oh my gosh! Come on, buddy, you can do it. One more step.
Yeah, go for it. Nice and slow.
Oh.
He's rolling. He's rolling.
Oh my god!
Okay, keep going,
He
pal.
looks like a little bullet. Ready, set, go!
Big guy.
All right, you're first, no problem.
Who's gonna pay for that?
Yo, is that Riley the mini dachshund?
It's okay, he's famous.
Hey, get back here! Somebody stop him! Who's paying for that?
He's gone.
Girl, we're going skydiving. Goggles on? Okay, we're almost up there. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Bella, look at that view.
देखो पूरा लिपस्टिक लगा दिया भाई।
बस पढ़ रहा हूँ यार।
भाई पूरा मेकअप हो गया।
इसका पार्लर बंद कर दो अब।
Hey yo, you looking at the top dog, Chico?
Oh, look at you three. Hold on, I've got treats. One for the bee, one for the dinosaur, and one for the wizard.
Oh my goodness. What'd you guys do? I can't even be mad.
No way!
Pulling in, buddy! Watch the curve!
You're kidding me! Hey, little one, it's okay. You're okay.
If you're here, come out with your hands up! Show me your hands!
Evening, buddy. You know how fast you were going back there?
Sí, señor, very fast.
Any reason for the hurry?
I got a reason. Yo quiero Taco Bell.
Wait,
Adiós.
Hey! You just took off. Small red hatchback.
Yeah, buddy! Look at that air!
30 miles an hour. Zero coffee. Let's go. You see that guy? That's the suspect. He thinks cardio is gonna save him. Meanwhile, I'm running on 2 legs and filming my own chase scene. Oscar, call me. Hey.
Get in the pit! Somebody get help!
Ryan's moving.
Hold on to me, I got you! Get him up! It's okay, you're safe. Mama's here. It's waiting.
Coming. Hey, bud, what the? Whoa, okay.
What is this? Toilet paper everywhere. You did this, didn't you? Uh-huh. Guilty face. It was her! Guys, hey, guys!
Pippin, you've been walking around with that gold like you own the yard. But tonight, the yard has a new alpha. You hear these people? They know who's coming for you. I'm not just sniffing around the title, I am tearing through you for it. So shine that.
Oh my gosh! Is he
Riding the dog!
Oh my goodness, he's flying!
Look at him go!
Hold on, buddy, hold on.
I can't believe this. He's loving it. Whoa.
Right 4, tightens 3, 40. Copy. Crest into left 5, small.
Sam, come inside! Now!
ride, boy.
Good boy.
Come here, guys.
Oh my god. Is that a dog in a suit?
She's on 2 legs. Look at the shoes.
No way.
Feel that breeze, Whiskers?
It's like the whole ocean's holding us up.
You're safe. Just keep your paws out and breathe.
I am flying.
We both are.
Yeah. Jet life. Wind in my ears, paws on the bar, carving up the blue like a little rock star. Throttle in my grip, salt on my nose, Hawaii in the frame everywhere I go.